Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability JEE Mains previous year questions. Okay, now I explain question number 1 from 2020 year. The derivative of one function with respect to other function. Okay, so let us take first function y and second function x. So let us take y is equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, and second function x is equal to tan inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. Okay, first we have to find y value. So what is y? Tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So let us take x is equal to tan theta. Why? Because we have root 1 plus tan square theta formula secant theta. Okay, therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now this will be tan inverse of, right, expression tan 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, this will be tan inverse of under root 1 plus tan square theta. This is nothing but secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, this is equal to tan inverse of, we have secant theta formula 1 by cos theta minus 1 by this tan, right, sin by cos. Okay, okay. Now y value tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. So let us do LCM. So what is the LCM? Cos theta 1 minus cos theta by cos theta, this whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. In this one cos theta get cancelled. So tan inverse of, we have 1 minus cos theta formula 2 sin square theta by 2. In denominator sin theta, right, is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In this 2 sin theta by 2 get cancelled. Okay, so tan inverse of sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, this is nothing but tan theta by 2. So this value will be theta by 2. So 1 by 2 times of, what is theta? Tan inverse x. Okay, so y value we got of tan inverse x. Now we have to find x value. What is x? Tan inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square by 1 minus 2x square. Let us take x is equal to sin theta. Okay, because we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta value cos 2 theta. Okay, right. Theta is equal to sin inverse x. So x is equal to tan inverse, right, expression sin 2 sin theta into root 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We have 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos 2 theta, root under 1 minus sin square theta formula cos theta. So this value will be tan inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta by cos 2 theta. This is equal to tan inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. Okay, this value will be tan inverse of sin by cos is nothing but tan 2 theta. This is nothing but 2 theta. So x value 2 theta. Okay, we got it, x value 2 theta, 2 into sin inverse x. So y value of tan inverse x. Now we have to find dy by dx. Derivative of y of tan inverse x, but derivative of x 2 sin inverse x. Okay, now in this 1 by 2 constant, in denominator 2 constant, differentiation of tan inverse x, we have 1 by 1 plus x square upon differentiation of sin inverse x, this formula root 1 minus x square, 1 by root 1 minus x square. So this value will be 1 by 4 times of, okay, right, this reciprocal root 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. We have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1 by 2, right. 1 by 4 times of root 1 minus 1 by 4 1 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 times of this value root 3 by 2. This denominator 5 by 4. So 4 get cancelled. Okay. So what is the answer? Root 3 by 2, 5 is 10. So root 3 by 10 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. A plus root 2b cos x into a minus root 2b cos y equal to a square minus b square. Then we have to find dx by dy at pi by 4 and pi by 4. First we have to find dy by dx value. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So by using UV formula. Okay. U into a plus root 2b cos x. U into differentiation of v. A minus root 2b cos y. Plus v into a minus root 2b cos y into d by dx of u, where u place in right a plus root b cos x is equal to constant derivative will be 0. Okay. Now a plus root 2b cos x. So differentiation of constant 0 minus root 2b constant minus root 2b. Differentiation of cos y, we have minus sin y into dy by dx plus a minus root 2b cos y into. So differentiation of constant 0. In this root 2b constant, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. At pi by 4, first we have to find dy by dx value. Okay, on xy place substitute pi by 4 and pi by 4. So a plus root 2b cos pi by 4 into minus plus root 2b sin pi by 4 dy by dx. Okay, this negative value bring the right side. A minus root 2b cos y place and right pi by 4. Okay, into root 2b sin pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 get cancelled. This value cancel. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 get cancelled. This is also root get cancelled. Root 2 and cos pi by 4 get cancelled. So a plus b into b into dy by dx is equal to a minus b into b. Both sides b get cancelled. Our target is dx by dy. Okay, therefore a plus b by a minus b is equal to dx by dy. So what is the answer? A plus b by a minus b. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2020 year question. Y value given, then we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay. How can solve this problem? Let us take 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is cos theta. So let us take cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. That implies 4 by 5 is sin theta. Okay. So adjacent side of hypotenuse and opposite side is 4. Okay, right. Y is equal to summation k is equal to 1 to 6 k into cos inverse. Where right 3 by 5 place in right cos theta cos kx minus 4 by 5. This place in we should write sin theta sin x sin kx. Okay, right. Summation k is equal to 1 to 6 k cos inverse cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. We have formula cos a plus b. Okay, cos theta plus kx. Now we have one formula cos inverse of cos a is equal to a. Okay, so this value will be theta plus kx. Summation k is equal to 1 to 6 k times of theta plus kx. Now we should applying sigma summation k is equal 1 to 6 into k to theta plus kx. K is equal 1 to 6 k theta plus summation k is equal to 1 to 6 k square x. K into k square x. What is this y value? Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. This is k constant, theta is constant. Okay, theta is constant. This is, so this derivative will be 0 plus in this k square constant summation k is equal 1 to 6 k square constant. Differentiation of x will be 1. We have sum of squares of natural numbers formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, this can be written as summation k equal 1 to 6 k square. Okay, sum of first 6 squares numbers. So first k equal 1, right, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 6 square. Okay, first we have to find, okay, sum of first 6 square numbers. This will be n value 6. 6 into 6 plus 1 into 2 into 6 plus 1 by 6. 6 get cancelled. 7 into 13. This will be 91. So 91 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020. So xy values are given. Then we have to find double derivative at theta equal to pi. Okay. First we have to find dy by dx. So derivative of y value 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta upon d of x, right, 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay. In this 2 constant, derivative of cos theta we get minus sin theta. Derivative of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta into 2. This whole divided by 2 constant, derivative of sin theta we get cos theta minus this derivative cos 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Okay. So this one 2 get cancelled. So minus into minus plus, right, first positive value sin 2 theta minus sin theta upon the denominator, right, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. We have sin c minus sin d formula. So sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So in denominator, by using cos c minus cos d formula, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, right. So 2 cos sin c minus sin d, we have 2 cos c plus d by 2 sum of angles by 2 3 theta by 2 into sin the difference of angles by 2 theta by 2. This whole divided by c minus c, cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin sum of angles by 2 into sin the difference of angles by 2 minus theta by 2. 2 get cancelled. Minus into minus, this is plus. So cos by sin cot 3 theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. In denominators, minus of minus, this is plus sin theta by 2. Okay, sin theta by 2 get cancelled. So dy by dx value, we got it cot 3 theta by 2. Okay, so dy by dx value, we got it cot 3 theta by 2. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of y, we get d square y by dx square. Differentiation of cot 3 theta by 2 minus cosecant square 3 theta by 2 into, in this 3 by 2 constant, differentiation of theta with respect to x into d theta by dx. So minus 3 by 2 into cosecant square 3 theta by 2. Dx by x value already given 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So dx by d theta value, 2 cos theta minus sin 2 theta derivative 2 cos 2 theta. Okay. So d theta by dx is required. The reciprocal of this value is d theta by dx. So 1 by 2 cos theta minus cos 2 cos 2 theta. At theta is equal to pi, we have to find d square y by dx square. minus 3 by 2 into cosecant square theta place write pi by 2 1 by 2 cos pi minus 2 cos 2 pi. So cos 360 cos 27 cos 360 value 1, cos 360 value 1, cos 180 value minus 1, and cosecant 270. Sin 270 first we have to find 180 plus 90. This is minus sin 90 minus 1. So sin 270 value minus 1. So cosecant 270 also minus 1. Okay, the reciprocal of minus 1 is also minus 1. 1 by 2 into cos 180 value minus 1, 2 into this value 1. Okay, so minus 3 by 2 times of, so minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 by 4. Answer is 3 by 8. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. So y value given, then we have to find dy by d alpha with at alpha is equal to 150, 5 pi by 6. Okay, so y of alpha is equal to root under 2 into, so tan alpha. Okay, we have cot alpha formula 1 by tan alpha, 1 by tan alpha upon 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha is nothing but cosecant square alpha. Okay, so root under, let us do LCM. Tan alpha is LCM 2 into tan square alpha plus 1 by tan alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. So tan square alpha plus 1 get cancelled. So 2 by tan alpha is nothing but root under 2 cot alpha. 1 by tan alpha is nothing but cot alpha, 2 cot alpha plus cosecant square alpha, right? Cot square alpha plus 1 formula. Okay, we have a square plus 2ab plus b square formula, a plus b whole square, cot alpha plus 1 modulus this value. What is this? Y of alpha. But alpha lies in 3 pi by 4 and pi in second quadrant, where alpha lies in second quadrant. Therefore cot is negative. Let us take minus of cot alpha plus 1. What is this? Y of alpha. But our target is dy by d alpha. So now differentiation on both sides, dy by d alpha is equal to minus, differentiation of cot alpha is minus cosecant square alpha plus 1 derivative 0 minus cosecant square alpha. At alpha is equal to 5 pi by 6, this value will be cosecant square 150. Cosecant square 150 value, cosecant, this is 2 square. So cosecant 150 value now explain. So sin 150 is equal to sin 180 minus 30, this will be sin 30. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2, cosecant 30 is 2. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 correct answer. 4 is correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. So y into root 1 minus x square equal to k minus x times of root 1 minus y square, where k is constant, and y of 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 4 given. Then find out dy by dx at x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So what is given, right? Y into root 1 minus x square. This minus value bring the left side. X into root 1 minus y square is equal to k. Okay. By using substitution method, first we have to find dy by dx. So let us take x is equal to sin alpha and y is equal to sin beta. Why? Because we have root 1 minus sin square alpha formula cos alpha. Root 1 minus sin square beta is cos beta. Therefore alpha is equal to sin inverse x and beta is equal to sin inverse y. Okay, right. So y place in right, sin beta into root 1 minus sin square alpha plus x, where x value sin alpha into root under 1 minus sin square beta is equal to k. Okay, this is sin beta into cos alpha plus sin alpha into this is cos beta is equal to k. We have sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b formula. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to k. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to sin inverse of k. Now, we have alpha value sin inverse x and beta value sin inverse y, right? So, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, this will be sin inverse of k. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Okay, right? Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides, derivative of sin inverse x, we have 1 by root 1 minus x square. Differentiation of sin inverse y, 1 by root 1 minus y square into differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx equal to constant derivative will be 0. Okay, so the one positive value bring the right side. 1 by root 1 minus y square dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, okay, let us do cross product, minus root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square. In statement, at x is equal to 1 by 2, we have to find dy by dx. One condition is also given, y of 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is given. This means at x is equal to 1 by 2, y value minus 1 by 4. At x is equal 1 by 2, y value minus 1 by 4. Okay, now substitute in this dy by dx. So from equation 1, dy by dx will be minus root 1 minus, where y place and right, minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16 by root over 1 minus x place and right 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Okay, this will be minus root 15 by 4 into this is 2 by root 3. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel. So this is root 5 into root 3 by root 3 into root 2. So answer is minus root 5 by root 2. Minus root 5 by, okay, this is 2. Minus root 5 by 2. Minus root 5 by 2, correct answer. 1 2 get cancelled, 1 root 3 get cancelled. Minus root 5 by 2, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. The derivative of one function with respect to other function. Okay. So let us take first function is y and second function is x. So let us take y is equal to tan inverse of sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x. Okay. Okay, what is the second function? X is equal, right, x by 2. First we have to find derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx. D capital Y by d capital X. Okay. We have one formula, cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Okay, this will be tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse of, in this minus 1 take out common, write cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x. This is equal, tan inverse of minus is minus tan inverse. This place in right, tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. We have tan pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse of tan, we have tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Okay, right, this value minus of pi by 4 minus x. This is nothing but minus pi by 4 plus x, x minus pi by 4. What is this y value? But our target is d capital Y by d capital X. So derivative of y, x minus pi by 4 by derivative of x, where x is x by 2. So differentiation of x is dx. Differentiation of constant will be 0. In denominator 1 by 2 constant, So differentiation of x, we have dx. Dx get cancelled. 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. 2 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. X and y values are given. Then we have to find double derivative d square y by dx square at x t is equal to pi by 4. Okay. First we have to find dy by dx. Derivative of y function given 3 secant t by derivative of x 3 tan t. In this 3 get cancelled. Derivative of secant t into tan t. So in denominator differentiation of tan t we get secant square t. One secant t get cancelled. This tan written as sin by cos. So 1 by secant t is nothing but cos t. So cos t get cancelled. So dy by dx value we got it sin t. Okay. But our target is d square y by dx square. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square. So differentiation of sin t, we get cos t. But derivate differentiation of t with respect to x into dt by dx. Okay, let me repeat. Differentiation of sin t, cos t. We have differentiation of t with respect to x into dt by dx. Okay. So what is x given? 3 tan t. First we have to find dx by dt value. 3 into derivative of tan t secant square t. So dx by dt value 3 secant square t. Okay. Now what is required? dt by dx value. So the reciprocal of dx by dt is dt by dx. Okay. So dt by dx value, right, 1 by 3 secant square t. Okay. So this is 1 by 3 constant. 1 by secant square t is nothing but cos square t, already cos t, cos cube t. But our target is at t is equal to pi by 4. At t is equal to pi by 4, this value will be 1 by 3 constant cos cube pi by 4. So cos 45 value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole cube, 1 by 3 times of 1 by root 2 whole cube. So 1 by 3 times of this is 2 root 2. So answer is 1 by 6 root 2. Answer is 1 by 6 root 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. XY values are given. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. Let us do multiply these two equations. So xy is equal to root under 2 power cosecant inverse t into root over 2 power secant inverse t. Okay. We have root a into root b, root ab formula. Okay, this value will be root under 2 power cosecant inverse t plus secant inverse t. Okay. We should applying a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n formula. But we have cosecant inverse t plus secant inverse t is equal to pi by 2. Okay. This value will be 2 to the power pi by 2. Root over 2 to the power pi by 2. This is xy. Okay. Now applying differentiation on both sides with respect to x. The differentiation of xy by using uv formula. X in differentiation of y dy by dx plus y times of differentiation of x, we get 1. This constant derivative 0. Okay. Therefore x dy by dx is equal to this plus y, bring the right side minus y. Therefore dy by dx we got minus y by x. So minus y by x correct answer. So let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. 2x power 2y is equal to 4 into e to the power 2x minus 2y. Then we have to find 1 plus log 2x base c whole square into dy by dx. Okay, what is given condition? So this is the given condition. 2x power 2y is equal to 4 times of e to the power 2x minus 2y. Okay, now applying logarithm on both sides. So log of 2x power 2y is equal to log of 4 into e to the power 2x minus 2y. Okay, so we have one formula, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m, n into log m. So this value will be 2y times of log 2x, 2y times of log 2x is equal to, this is first we should apply log AB formula, log A plus log B, log 4 plus log e to the power 2x minus 2y. Okay, log A plus log B formula. Now 2y log 2x is equal to, so log 4, this can be written as log 2 square, this is 2 log 2. This value will be, we should apply form same form, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. Okay, this value will be 2x minus 2y into log e. Okay, log e base e this is, so log e base e value 1. Okay, so both side 2 get cancelled. This minus y bring the left side, so y log 2x plus y is equal to x plus log 2, x plus log 2. Okay, now in this one y take out common, log 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus log 2. Therefore y is equal to, this value bring the right side, x plus log 2 by 1 plus log 2x. Okay, 1 plus log 2x. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, we got it y value. So x plus log 2 by 1 plus log 2x by using u by v formula. So what is the u by v formula? V times of, okay, now we're applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y, we got dy by dx. We have u by v formula, v times of v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is the u by v whole dash formula. Okay, v into, so v for denominator, 1 plus log 2x into v into differentiation of u, differentiation of x plus log 2, differentiation of x1, differentiation of log 2 constant 0. So this one minus x plus log 2 into, okay, differentiation of 1 plus log 2x, differentiation of 1 gets 0, differentiation of log 2x is 1 by 2x into differentiation of 2x is into 2. This whole divided by 1 plus log 2x whole square. In this 2 get cancelled. 1 plus log 2x minus x, okay, minus x plus log 2 by x. This whole divided by 1 plus log 2x whole square. In this, so 1 plus log 2x, okay, minus 1 multiply with these two values, x's get cancelled, minus 1 minus log 2 by x, this whole divided by 1 plus log 2x whole square. In this 1 get cancelled. Okay, so what is the LCM? X will be LCM. Okay, y1 this is. Okay, let us do cross product. So 1 plus log 2x whole square into dy by dx is equal to, so let us do LCM. X will be LCM, x log 2x, x log 2x minus log 2 by x. So this is the answer. So 1 plus log 2x whole square dy by dx value, we got it x log 2x minus log 2 by x. So this is the statement. 1 plus log 2x whole square into dy by dx value, option 1 correct. Option 1 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2019 question. So f is mapping from r tends to r be a function such that f of x value given, then we have to find f of 2. Okay, let us take f dash 1 is equal to a, f double dash 2 is equal to b, f triple dash 3 is equal to c. Okay, let us take f dash 1 is equal to a, f double dash 2 is equal to b, f triple dash 3 is equal to c. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. First we have to find f dash x value. So this derivative 3x square plus a into 2x plus b. Okay. So now again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. F double dash x is equal, this is 6x plus 2a. Okay, again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. F triple dash x is equal to 6 only. But f triple dash x value, okay, put x is equal to 3. This value will be f triple dash 3 is equal to 6. But f triple dash 3, f triple dash 3 value c value, we got it 6. Okay. Now our target is ab values. Okay, f double dash x value 6x plus 2a there. Put expression 2. So f double dash 2 is equal to this value 6 2 12 plus 2a. This value given b. Okay, in this first f dash x, in this f dash x put expression write 1. So f dash 1 is equal to 3 plus 2a plus b. This value given a. Okay. So let us take first two equations from elimination method. Okay, eliminate by using elimination method. From these two equations we have to find a b values. Okay, what is the first equation? A plus b, okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. In second equation 2a minus b plus 12 is equal to 0. B get cancelled. 3a plus 15 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5. Substitute in any equation. A plus b plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 5 plus b plus 3 is equal to 0. B is equal to 2. B value we got it 2 and a value minus 5, c value 6. Therefore f of x is equal to x cube plus x square into f dash 1. F dash 1 value a we got it minus 5 and b value 2 and c value 6. Okay. Okay, x square into minus 5 x into f double dash 2. F double dash 2 means b value 2 and f triple dash 3 6. This is f of x value. We got it f of x value. Now our target is f of 2. Put expression 2. Okay, this value will be f of 2 is equal to 2 cube. This 5 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 6. This will be, okay, this value will be minus 2. 8 minus 20 plus 4 plus 6 value minus 2. So option 3 correct. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.